Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Have you ever wondered how speaker resistance works? Let's break it down in a fun and simple way. First, let's talk about series wiring. Imagine stacking blocks one on top of the other. Each block you add increases the height, right? Similarly, each speaker you add in series increases the resistance. So what happens if you have two 8-ohm speakers in series? You simply add them up. 8 ohms plus 8 ohms equals 16 ohms. Just remember this, series stacks. And as it stacks, the resistance climbs higher and higher. Think of it like a human pyramid. The more people you add, the taller it gets. Now let's switch gears to parallel wiring. Picture a road that splits into two lanes. The current splits between these lanes, which lowers the resistance. So what if you have two 8-ohm speakers in parallel? You divide the resistance by the number of speakers. 8 ohms divided by 2 equals 4 ohms. Parallel splits the load, and as it splits, the resistance dips lower. Imagine a busy highway. More lanes mean less traffic congestion. Here's the key takeaway. Series adds the load, while parallel shares the road. When you stack speakers in series, the resistance goes up. When you share the load in parallel, the resistance goes down. Now you're wired for success. You've got the basics of speaker wiring down. But wait, there's more. Want to dive deeper? Subscribe for more Sonic Sciences and keep your audio game strong. We've got tips, tricks, and tutorials to make you an audio pro. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, whether you're stacking or splitting, you're always in control of your sound. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Sonic Sciences for more exciting content on speaker wiring and other audio tips. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Join our community of audio enthusiasts today. Imagine having access to a treasure trove of audio knowledge right at your fingertips. Whether you're a budding audio engineer, a seasoned professional, or just curious about how things work, Sonic Sciences has something for everyone. From in-depth tutorials to quick tips, our videos are designed to help you master the art of sound. Want to learn how to get the perfect bass response? Or maybe you're curious about the latest in audio technology? We've got you covered. Every week, we bring you fresh content that delves into the fascinating world of audio. So, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay in the loop. Join our community of audio enthusiasts today and take your sound game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the best sound is just a click away.